just ate it up and bedded in it, played in it, fought in it, peed in it,